Hi everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Centers here on YouTube. Finally got another truck available for sale. Got two of these, and then I've got two coming in that are tandems like these, but also have two pushers on them. So this would be a total of a 3-axle dump. I've got two coming in that are also 5-axle dumps. So I'll get videos up as soon as those arrive. These are 2024 Peterbilt 567s, double framed dump trucks, Cummins 525 horse, 1850 torque with Allison 4500 RDS transmissions, 20,000 pound steer axle, 46,000 pound rears, full lockers. So very, very heavy spec dump truck. It's a COLT body, 16 footer. Get the front toe pin, just jet black. There's no metallic in that. Need to get the guy here to wash it up. Maybe once he does that, I'll redo the video, but for now, I thought I would at least show it to you. Hot side of the engine there. 20,000 pound suspension. This is a Cummins X15. 525 horse, 1850 torque. Davco fuel filter. And they're spec'd right. Very nice spec. Trying a new microphone, so you guys let me know if it's working, because all of a sudden the wind came out. Got the polished stainless steel visor from the factory. We got Michelin XCE steer tires. They're 425 65R 22.5. .135 fuel tank, def tank, hydraulic tank. This one has new way suspension. A lot of guys really like that. It's a 4-bag air ride system, very stable. Michelin 11R 22.5s on the rear, XDN2s. Got the round hole aluminum wheels. Beautiful COLT body. JD and IWS out in Sterling, Colorado do these bodies for me. Beautiful bodies. They do a really nice job. Air latch tailgate. It's got the electric tarp system on it. 16-foot bed. We also did a pintle hitch with air and electric. Got your D-rings there. They do one of the nicest pintle hitches I've ever seen. Very nice. LED lights. Good looking truck. Lots of room over here to add whatever you want, toolboxes. And let me see if I can, I'll take a look inside the bed for you. I don't want to have to go lift it all up and everything, but I can. And if you need pictures, let me know. So it's never had anything in it. No rear window. These are originally hydrovac trucks. There's our Allison 4500 RDS. There's our controls for the body. Air tilt cruise. Very nice trucks. Take you inside real quick. They're not fancy. Not a platinum interior, just the base. Base interior. Rubber floor mat. Like I said, this one has not been cleaned up yet. And on the outside of the cab here, Since the driver's side does not have any exhaust, we put this bar here. Makes it much easier to get in. And you also got these extra bars there. I'm not going to start it up, but does have steering wheel controls, 6 gauges. It's the max you can get now. AM, FM, Bluetooth. There's the Allison. So no CBs. That does have an air horn, but just nice truck, perfect dump truck. I got 2 of these with a 16-foot body, and I've got 2 more coming in that are the 5-axle dumps. So some regions of the country, they do need that. So with that, I will let you go. Try and keep this one short. Brand new. Got 2 of these, and got 2 18-foot dump trucks coming with 5 axles. So appreciate you guys taking the time. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts, Rush Truck Center here on YouTube. 970-691-3877 or couchk, COUCHK @rushenterprises.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.